Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable press to pause workout on the Apple Watch 7. So first let's go back to the home screen by pressing on the crown button on the side. So press on it twice to go back to the home screen. In here, tap on the settings button. In settings you want to go down and tap on workout. Next, go down and tap on press to pause. So press on the switch to turn it on, or press on the switch to turn it off. Now if this is turned on, you can pause or resume your workout by pressing the side button and digital crown at the same time. So let's test it out. So I'm going to say start a workout, and let's just say we're doing rowing. And if you want to pause this exercise, we can press on both buttons at the same time. Okay, so to pause, I'm going to try to press on both buttons, this one here and the side button.
Workout paused.
And then to resume, just press on that one and that one, both at the same time.
Workout resumed. Workout paused.
And that's it. So that's how you can turn that feature on or off. So you can change them in workout settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.